للعباس اجت زينب.
Mainly to commemorate what happened in Karbala all those years ago and to try and like sympathize with the happenings all those years ago.
ايش حالك؟
For me, it's more of a, well, today mainly it was a kind of decision about something that how do you say it? It's between doing what you should do and what I could do in a way. So, like, it's a decision to commemorate this event over doing something else that may be okay, but isn't what should be done.
طلعي صواني
Definitely.